Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming compatibility and downloading the latest driver for your adapter and OS. Once you have the files, plug the adapter into a powered USB port or install it in the correct PCIe slot. You want a solid physical connection first. Now open Device Manager or Network Settings to detect the device and run the driver installer. Make sure you accept any prompts and reboot if requested, so the operating system recognizes the adapter and can initialize it properly. Once your adapter is recognized, scan for available SSIDs and select the correct network name. You will need to enter the network password and choose WPA2 or WPA3 security. Next, decide DHCP versus a static IP. DHCP is simplest, but static helps fix services. Make sure to pick 5 GHz for higher throughput where range allows, otherwise use 4 GHz for coverage. Finally, tweak adapter power settings, channel width, and antenna position to reduce interference. You finish by verifying the connection. Run a speed test and ping a reliable host to confirm latency and throughput. Once done, optimize by updating firmware and drivers, and apply security measures like a strong WPA password and MAC filtering if needed. If you encounter problems, try a quick adapter reset and rescan networks and inspect router channel settings for conflicts. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Eliminate wireless interference first, then move to driver reinstalls or hardware swaps if issues remain unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.